Well, I'm being joined by Assam Cabinet Minister, of course, Kesav Mohanta, and I would like to ask you that the 26,000 crore has been allotted for Northeast development. So, what do you want to say?
This is a very good budget for Northeast. We get 26,000 crores for our infrastructure development, and this budget, the employment and the empowerment of the women. This is the main motto of this budget. We welcome this budget.
What do you think about the Northeast development? What kind of things will be developed more?
Mainly infrastructure and other problem of the Northeast and flood management, government assurance to mitigation of flood. This is our, I think this is our, this help us.
It's a very good news for MSME sectors like Mudra loan and all the limits.
Mudra loan and 100 of the banking unit for the interior places of Northeast region, which is not covered by the bank. This is good news for us.
This budget is a balanced budget. This budget is a balanced budget, and I think the poor, the middle class people, the farmers will be highly benefited. ये बहुत हमारे लिए खुशी का बात है क्योंकि एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर में 1.52 लाख करोड़ दिया है. ये बहुत खुशी का बात है, and that's why I am telling you that farmers would be highly benefited from this budget. More than 140,000 hectares were submerged in the last wave of flood, and more than 2 lakhs farm families were affected. So under strong leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister, all the officials, administration have been working hard, and our colleagues, ministers, MLAs, we are moving around. We are helping the victims. So government has taken so many steps. See, state government has taken a lot of efforts to offer their helping hand to the victims, and we are expecting some more relief from the central government. Yes, they have allotted 11,500 crores. Union government has allotted 11,500 crores to the Bihar government. We are also expecting, but assessment is going on. A team from the union government came and visited different areas. We have come to know that after that assessment, definitely, the union government will offer, a package to our state. We have taken a lot of efforts in the last 7 years, because, as you know, that I am holding portfolio of agriculture, horticulture in the government of Assam. So we have been working hard on the guidance of the Honorable Chief Minister. अब देखिए जो लास्ट 17 इंस्टॉलमेंट है पीएम किसान का 380 करोड़ मिला है, फार्मर्स का अकाउंट में मिला है डीबीटी जरिए. सो दैट वे प्रधानमंत्री फसल बीमा योजना, केसीसी, एंड देयर सो मनी सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट स्कीम लाइक आरकेवीवाई, एनएफएसएम और बहुत सारा स्कीम है, और स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का अपना स्कीम है. So we are getting fund from the union government and state government का तो फंड है ही बजट में, तो कर रहा है. तो एग्रीकल्चर मैकेनाइजेशन के लिए बहुत सारा कुछ किया है, क्योंकि मोर देन 1,79,000 farm machineries have already been distributed to the farmers, and we are planning to distribute some more farm machineries this year. So और आज एक डिजिटल क्रॉप सर्वे के लिए एक वर्कशॉप चल रहा है अभी, और भारत सरकार ने 18 करोड़ दिया है इस काम के लिए. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि पीएम किसान मिलने के लिए और जो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का स्कीम है, स्कीम मिलने के लिए ये डिजिटल सर्वे बहुत ही ज़रूरी है। और मैं देखा बजट में 400 चारकुल में, हर कंट्री का 400 चारकुल में ये काम जोरदार चलेगा और फार्मर शुड बी बेनिफिटेड। ये हो जाने से क्या है, हमारा लैंड का इशू है और दूसरा कुछ इशू है, तो सर्वे डिजिटल सर्वे होने से बहुत ज़्यादा कम होगा, फार्मर्स बेनिफिटेड होगा।